On your smartphone, open App Store or Play Store, search for Zoom Workplace. All you have to need is install Zoom app on your smartphone. Once it's installed, launch the Zoom app. And now, go ahead and sign into your Zoom account. You can use any of these options to sign in. You can enable your Zoom notification from here. Okay, this is Zoom homepage. Now, to create an instant meeting, all you have to need, tap on Meet. And here, you can enable or disable video for your Google Meet. Then tap on Create a Meeting. And as you can see, my instant meeting started in my Zoom. Now, if you want to turn on your camera, you can do it from here. You can mute or unmute yourself from here. And tap on Participants. And here, click on Invite. Now from here, you can select options to invite someone to your Zoom meeting. So this is how you can actually start an instant meeting. Thanks for watching.